If you're ready to kickstart your freelance career on Fiverr, this video is for you. Today, we'll be sharing the ultimate guide to landing your first order on the platform. Let's dive in. The first step to success on Fiverr is setting up a professional profile that grabs attention. Choose a clear and catchy profile picture, write an engaging bio, and highlight your skills and experience. Remember, first impressions matter. Your gig listings are your virtual storefront. Craft them carefully. Use clear and compelling titles that clearly state what you offer. Write detailed descriptions, including specific services, and describe how you can benefit potential buyers. Strong gig extras can also help attract more customers. Pricing can make or break your success on Fiverr. Start by researching the market to understand how much others charge for similar services. Find a balance between competitive pricing and adequately valuing your time and expertise. Offering packages with different price points can also attract a wider range of buyers. Gig tags play a vital role in boosting your visibility on Fiverr's search results. Use relevant and specific tags that accurately represent your services. Be mindful of popular keywords in your niche to help potential buyers find you more easily. Once your gigs are live, it's time to promote them. Leverage social media platforms, engage in relevant online communities, and showcase your work on your own website or portfolio. The more you promote, the more eyes you'll have on your services. Delivering top-notch customer service is crucial to obtain positive reviews and repeat business. Be responsive, communicate clearly, and go the extra mile to exceed your clients' expectations. Quality work, delivered on time, will pave the way for success. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to landing your first order on Fiverr. Remember to set up a professional profile, create compelling gig listings, price your services strategically, optimize gig tags, promote your gigs, and provide exceptional customer service. Now, it's your turn to take action and unlock your Fiverr success. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks.